fight with my family stuff, and then I told you that I was doing something in agriculture in the tribal state. So like my team has been getting organized, and we have started like doing stuff in Jharkhand and in Meghalaya. So that takes most of my time, I think. So right now, anything apart from that, I don't know whether I'll be able to contribute so much or not. So that's the thing.
But as a reading material, can we assume that you can consume content?
Reading.
Over time?
Yeah, it's going to be tough with me.
Okay, I see.
Like if it's going to be, see, in my free space time, like yeah, I obviously can do. I mean, but I cannot do it like with timelines, you understand?
Oh no, I don't have any timelines for this
So,
job.
Yeah.
I don't have any timelines.
That's the thing, because I can do the reading and give you like
Yeah.
the points you need to know.
Yeah, that's what I need.
That is great.
Yeah.
But yeah, like managing a team, I think it's going to be
Yeah,
tough.
no, that's-
Because I have to be traveling,
Right.
to Ranchi, then to Shillong, Guwahati and all that.
Right.
So yeah, too much on
Makes
the plate,
sense.
I guess. And this whole entire corporate structure thing is like taking a lot of
Right.
time.
What is the total value of the corporate structure that you're creating?
So I don't know. Like, yearly revenue must be somewhere around 10 CR. So total value should be like, I don't know, 5x at least.
And what are the business entities?
So yeah, we have a hotel and then construction thing. And we have another resort coming up. So
In
not
Varanasi?
resort, it's a small, getaway thing in Varanasi itself.
Okay.
So all these family businesses are there. So I'm trying to tie them together and then manage it from one place so that it becomes easier for everyone.
Right.
So it doesn't has to be the
Right.
single entity running itself, and then entire structure, like operations can be at different places, can be different, but all the back end thing should be under one roof. That's what I
Right.
think, and that is what I'm trying to execute right now.
Right.
So yeah, team building and everything, those exercises are happening.
Right.
That's all.
Yeah, I mean, there's no timeline, man.
Uh,
This may be I'll read only if it engages you. There's no job.
no, I understand. Like
Yeah.
I see, having a conversation with you or debating is really nice. So
Nice.
I enjoy my time
Nice.
debating with you on different stuff. So
Nice.
that's good. That's something I can take it as not
Sure,
as a
sure,
work,
sure.
but as a simple thing. I mean, which I am very keen to do it.
Sure.
That's all.
Sure.
Yeah, that is it.
Right. Do you read otherwise?
Yeah, I do read.
Yeah, so when you read me and when you have direct access to me on WhatsApp through a voice note, then that's like a conversation with me too, right?
Yeah.
You read me in text and now
Yeah.
you're speaking something. So we can do that,
Right.
yeah?
Sure.
So if it engages, you start having a conversation starting from any homepage. All homepages
So
lead
I'm
together.
really bad at texting and
Correct. And
doing
communicate.
WhatsApp and everything.
Yeah, sure.
so I'm more like one in a one person kind of thing.
Sure.
Person.
I'll figure that out.
So yeah, because it gets irritating after that, like
Right.
WhatsApp and everything.
Right.
So I'm also a very minimum conversation kind of guy. I
Right.
don't, I like to keep my words very minimum to the point.
Right.
So I'm that kind of person. But I think a lot,
Right.
I must say,
Right.
more than the people I've observed in my life.
Right.
So I have that one capability, I guess.
Right.
But that's all.
Right.
And with me, you will get whatever I feel genuinely. I don't
Right.
never sugarcoat my
Yeah,
words.
not-
I think by
not
now
at all.
you must have
Yeah,
noticed.
true.
So